Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we are gonna teach you how to create your own chatbot. The scenario is a chatbot for Live application. First, give this chatbot a name, like here I used Live application. And upload the chatbot avatar. It can be sent as the avatar in your room or not. And the switch here is to turn on and off the chatbot. Then choose how to activate your chatbot. Two options: as the user joins the chat, or when user enters the list keyword. Here I choose as user joins the chat. You can also set up the message notification, notify you by every message, or notify you when users enter list keyword. And here I also choose notify me with any new messages. Next, we move to the main chatbot flow setting. You need to create each message as an independent set, then set up the dependency among the message sets. Let me show you. To add message, PinChat provides three kinds of way to do this, including text and image message, button template message, and carousel template message. Okay, let's move to the edit of the message. Click on the message in the preview view and you can edit it. You can upload photo, edit title, content, and also quick reply. It's a preset reply for user. For the subsequent behavior setting, I ask user to provide their email address, so I choose email format, but also including any contents, alphanumeric, and date format, and also digital format. But here I choose email format. The trigger message is the upcoming message of this. You can see the options because I've said before, normally the option will be invalid as you first try. Okay, so here we click save. Explain button template message a little bit more. It's similar to the text and image message, but you can add extra button for reply. The reply can be text action or link action. Maybe you also realize there's an exception flow setting here. It's the exception handler as the user inserts the text out of the chatbot flow. It means the user might encounter some issues. You can use this message to guide them to the right flow. When everything is done, you can click preview to check the flow. It works perfectly. So click confirm and update to release your chatbot. Let chatbot empower your business 24/7, non-stop.
PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.